Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I made a skirt for my daughter. I had a long piece of fabric which came from another garment. I decided to cut that in two and said I'm going to join those pieces together to create the body for the skirt. I also had another piece of black fabric that I took that I'm going to be using for the band of this skirt. So I'm just going to be folding this in half just so I can create a little band to pass my elastic through for the top of the skirt. Now once I went ahead and I joined the two pieces together, this is what they look like. So I just stitched it down at the bottom there just to create a nice little section for the body. Then I went ahead and I stitched on the top section so you guys can see what it looks like. I'm also gonna go on ahead and stitch down the side. Once I stitch down the side, you guys can see what it looks like. It's all in a circle together now. So I'm just gonna go on ahead and stitch the top section down. So I'm just going to be pulling out the section there and stitch it going all the way around on the sewing machine. This is what it looks like now. So you guys can see the way that I stitched it going all the way around the top just to create the band. I also left a little opening to pass the elastic through. So this little hole I'm going to be using to pass the elastic through. But before that, I went ahead and I did my zigzag going all the way around and also going down the seams. So guys, this is what it looks like once I did that. I just wanted to neaten up my stitches, so you see that's going all the way around the top, and also I neatened the stitches going down the sides with the zigzag as well. Then I went ahead and I put my elastic through the little hole. After that, I took a needle and a thread and I closed up the hole because I want that section to be looking neat and nice as well. This is what my skirt looked like at this point, but I went ahead and I gave it a tap stitch. I did 2 rows, one at the top and one at the bottom to hold the elastic in place. Let me know what you guys think about this quick and easy tutorial. Do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Check me out over on my other channel, I'm Being Me TV, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.